what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be making some new products for a new collection that I have been working very hard on the last couple months. Thought process, as well as purchasing equipment, products, jars, and all of that for this new collection. And so I just want you guys to be able to watch me make my products. I probably will share a little bit of like how to make specific things, but yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will be making it with my husband because it is a collection that we've been talking about for some time and that we think is really needed in this world and in this industry. So you guys will have to follow this vlog and this journey as I create these products and new collection for Royalty Curls. So make sure you guys check out my brand, www.royaltycurls.com. If you guys like videos like this and you guys like more behind the scenes vlog style, then make sure that you guys like and subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss out on any more videos like this. But I'm going to show you guys all of the ingredients that we're working with. We're going to be making two products today. We're making a hair oil and a butter. It will be colored and I'm super excited. I'm going to show you guys the essential oils that I'm using, which is going to add the natural colorant to the butter and the oil. So hopefully everything works out well today. Yeah, so let's just get to it. A day of making in the lab for Royalty Curls.